So guys, I'm going to explain you about the question number 25, and the question number 25 is calculate the LCM least common multiply of two number. So I'm going to explain you about how this code is working. And in the step 1 I define the input number first, and in the input number what we have to do is, like in this step we have define the two input number num1 and num2, which represent the number for which we wanted to calculate the LCM. And this example, num1 is set to 24 and num2 is set to 36. This value can be changed to any other positive integer as needed. In step 2, actually we define a function to calculate GCD. To calculate the LCM, we first need to find the GCD, matlab it means greatest common divisor of the two numbers. This step involves defining a JavaScript function name calculate GCD a comma b, and the purpose of this function is to calculate the GCD of two number a and b. It employs the Euclidean algorithm to find the GCD. The while loop inside the function repeatedly apply the modulus operator percent to a and b until b becomes 0. The GCD is written when b equal to 0. Okay, come to the step 3. Okay, so come to the step 3. In step 3 we have to calculate GCD. So we call the calculate GCD function with the input number num1 and num2. This step calculate the GCD and store in the variables GCD. The GCD is the critical value required to determine the LCM. Okay, come to the step 4. Step 4 is calculate LCM. In this step we use the GCD to calculate the LCM. We apply the formula LCM. Okay, LCM formula, it is LCM formula. LCM bracket a comma b is equal to a into b divided by GCD bracket a comma b. By multiplying num1 into and num2 and then dividing the result by GCD, we obtain the LCM. The calculated LCM is stored in the variable LCM. The purpose of this step is to compute the least common multiple using the GCD. Come to the step 5. Finally, it is for you output the result. Okay, this is step 5 is to output the result. So we use console.log to display the result, which include the original input number and the calculated LCM. This step is essential to present the LCM to the users. When you run this code with the input number 24 and 36, it will show you the output LCM of 24 and 36 is 72. This is the explanation of 25 question, guys, and I have explained you all in a very easy way as much as I can. So let's meet in the question number 26, and if you like this video, like it and share it and subscribe it my channel. And if you have any other question which you think about that question you not or you're not able to understand it and you wanted to explanation part of that question, you can send to me in comment section. I will make the video on that too. So let's meet in the question number 26, guys.